Chapitres, how are you today? Yeah, today I want to show you and say my wish list, where I would love to travel, where I would love to visit.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the...
So I travel alone, usually, as you know, and yeah, I realized, so I make a map. So this is a map of the world, and those dots is where exactly where actually I went. And I realized it's not much. The world is so big. So yeah, I make my dream bucket list. So I will explain where I would love to go. Let's start with Europe. I'm living in France. I know pretty much Switzerland. I went to England. I went to Germany. I went to Budapest recently. I went to Rome a few years ago. And there are some spots I would love to go. I would love to go in Iceland to the Blue Lagoon. Yeah, I saw the Blue Lagoon a few months ago actually. I didn't know that spot. Thanks for the Netflix show from Zac Efron. The Netflix show of Zac Efron, Down to Earth, that made me show what is the Blue Lagoon. So the Blue Lagoon is actually a spa, and the water is very specific, very healthy. So yeah, it's beautiful there. The next I would love to go is Ireland, to Dublin. Yeah, to go to the Irish country. I would love to visit Dublin actually, and just to enjoy their Irish culture, and bring me some luck actually. I would love to go to Monaco. Yeah, I know Monaco, it's kind of bold dream actually. I would love to enjoy a stay to Monaco, to Monte Carlo, and maybe to go to watch the Formula 1. Sorry, I was doing to some French, I'm sorry. Yeah, to go to Monaco and maybe rent a yacht would be my dream. Rent a yacht there and enjoy the ocean. It's not really the ocean actually, but yeah, just enjoy the water. And yeah, just enjoy good time in there. I'm not a casino person to gambling, just say it. Just enjoy maybe some shopping and yeah, have a good time in Monaco. Maybe one day I want to go to Greece, and I was supposed to go twice. Fortunately, the first time was with school and I didn't make it, and the second time was everything was booked. The COVID happened, as pretty much of everybody wanted to travel in that time. My flight was cancelled, and I didn't make it to Greece to go to that beautiful Athens. So let me explain why I want to go to Athens. I'm a very historian person, and I love a Greek myth, and Athens is the base of myth, a lot of god myth and legends, and I want to go there and to enjoy archaeology. I got a certificate of Egyptology from Harvard actually, and yeah, I love runes. Not everybody loves runes, but I love runes. And when I went to Rome, put pictures here. Yeah, I really enjoyed it to walk on those footsteps of ancient culture. So this is why I want to go to Greece, and I've been thinking to go this summer. It's kind of hot, maybe September, and make a trip to Sparta. Sparta, I mean. Yeah, the great Spartans. And last country actually I would love to do. So those are my bucket list priorities actually. It's go to Serbia. Yeah, I went to Belgrade, I know just the airport, and I thought it was nice. Belgrade is a beautiful city on the top. And yeah, I would love to go to Serbia actually. It would be very nice. Change some culture. I love to travel to meet some culture, new people, new food, and yeah, this is for Europe, America. I already been in California twice. Yeah, I was lucky to go to California. I didn't make it into San Francisco, but I know Malibu, Los Angeles, Santa Monica, and Long Beach. That was the best time there. It was so great. It was very amazing. I have so good memories there. It was beautiful. So if you have some question about my trip of California, let me know, comment down below. And if you want a specific video for California, let me know. It would be a pleasure to show you, give you some tips what I did in California. No problem. So I would love to go to New York. Oh, I would love to go to New York. And my dream is, you're gonna say maybe I'm crazy, but a lot of people say New York is beautiful during Christmas. And I want to see New York during Christmas. I know it's very cold during winter in New York, but I would love to see the Liberty Statue, the Historic Museum. I would love to go to Brooklyn Bridge and enjoy a good time to the Fifth Avenue, maybe a theater in Broadway. Yeah, I would love to go to New York. This is a big dream. I know that. There are so many things to do in New York. It's next in USA, but it's not really in USA, but it's Hawaii. Yeah, I know it's been a year. I would love to go to Hawaii. I would love to go to Hawaii to find my ohana, actually. Yeah, so if there are some Hawaiian watching, yeah, I would love to find my ohana to that beautiful island of Hawaii. There are a few islands, but if I make it to Oahu, it will be amazing. Enjoy there, maybe learn some stuff, do some boats, and just relax and just find peace there. It looks amazing. The culture looks so beautiful, and yeah, I'm very intrigued, and I would love to go to Hawaii pretty soon. We'll see what's next. And I'm a Twilight fan, actually, and I really enjoy when I'm traveling to find TV show spots like I did in Paris. So I went to some streets in Paris during Christmas about Emily in Paris. If there are some fun, put a heart on comments. Yeah, and I really enjoy to find spots. When I was in LA, I found the Charm House, Fast and Furious of Dominique House. Yeah, I really enjoy when I'm traveling to find spots of movies. So yeah, I would love to make a trip from Twilight, go to Portland. Where is it? Maybe Seattle, actually. Pretty much same area, make a trip in there. Yeah, I'm a Twilight fan. Sorry if you are not, but I'm really a Twilight fan. If you follow the podcast of Ashley Green and Melanie Ho of Twilight Effect, go listen. If you understand English, they are amazing. They are on YouTube, actually, and on iHeartRadio. I'll put those links down below. And yeah, enjoy to listen to them and have some things, their experience. That's amazing. Yay, Florida! Yeah, I would love to go to Florida and Miami. Maybe I really enjoyed the view about the building and close to the beach. I don't know why. I think it's awesome. Yeah, I would love to go to Miami. I don't have really make a bucket list of what I would love to do, actually, but I know you can be bored on big city. That's impossible. Even alone, that's very impossible. You always meet nice people, even just a few minutes, make pictures to some couple. Anyway, I really meet wonderful people all the time when I'm traveling alone. Next, Nashville. So I told you about my Greek thing of myth, and Nashville has a perfect replica of the Parthenon. It's a perfect condition. That Parthenon is perfect. I will put some pictures, and yeah, I would love to go there. And there is huge statue of Athena. This is my favorite goddess of the Greek history, Athena. Yeah, I would love to go to Nashville, listen to country music, put my cowboy shoes, maybe buy a cowboy hat, who knows? Yeah, just enjoy new culture. I really enjoy USA because there are so different culture in different states, and this is make America great. That's the Nouvelle-Orléans. Yeah, that's kind of French countryside, but I would love to go to Louisiana and enjoy some jazz in there. And like I said, to go to Seattle. Yeah, I know that Seattle is very close to Canadian borderline. Sorry about my French. Yeah, sorry if you hear my French accent a lot. I'm very sorry about that. But yeah, I would love to go to Canada, maybe in the same time to go to Vancouver. I don't know, but we see. Oh, Canada. Canada is a big thing to me because all the music I'm listening is Canadian. I'm listening Avril Lavigne, Simple Plan, Sun 41, Nickelback. There are those bands are I'm listening since forever. Really, really since forever. And yeah, to enjoy that Canadian culture and that maple syrup. I love maple syrup. It's just a thing with me. So love Canadian thing. Yeah, it's been years since I'm little. I would love to go to Canada. Yeah, I hope I will make it. So if I'm going to Canada, it's definitely I'm going to Vancouver. I would love to find a spot. I know it would be more to Alaska. To watch some borealis, yeah, those beautiful, that's my dream, to see these during night. That effect on the sky is so, it's a dream, it's very a dream. So yeah, go to Vancouver, go to the French side, yeah, go to Montreal and Quebec, yeah, it's a Quebec City. There are plenty of things to do, there are amazing things to do in Canada, and yeah, make a trip in there. I don't know if I would go a huge trip, that I'm afraid it's jet lag, yeah, because different. I got some jet lag if I'm going to America because I'm living in France, so if I'm going, yeah, less 6 hours of jet lag minimal. So yeah, it's about the journey, not the destination, yeah. Let's go to the other side of the world. Asia. So I've always been go to Cambodia and see the Angkor Wat temple. I'm a Lara Croft Tomb Raider fan, so who knows the first movie of Lara Croft with Angelina Jolie, she went to Cambodia in that beautiful temple, and I always wanted to go there. And recently I knew about Thailand in Koh Samui Island, so I've been thinking to go there. I don't know, this summer. Actually, this summer, I've been thinking where I would love to go because I want to do everything. That's the problem. I have to choose. So yeah, Thailand to Bangkok and go to Koh Samui same time. I think I will maybe 2 weeks. Probably there are beautiful culture in Asia, and yeah, enjoy the culture, the food is usually delicious for what I tried, and yeah, that would be different, totally different English language, so I start to learn some Chinese. Actually, it's not that difficult, and I knew some Hungarian when I went to Budapest. Tried to catch up small polite words like thanks, so köszönöm in Hungarian, Shishi in Chinese, and Kakoka in Thailand, if I'm not mistaken with my pronunciation. Yeah, and yeah, there are beautiful culture there, and go to China, of course, China. There are so many cities I would love to go, like Shanghai, So the word in city is totally different, actually, in French. Shanghai and oh my god, I don't remember. I would love to go to Hong Kong. Hong Kong and Xi'an and see that beautiful Great Wall. Yeah, I'm an architecture person, I'm an historian, I love whole things, and that Great Wall is just to walk in there. It's impossible to walk to the beginning to the end of that Great Wall, but yeah, go to the Great Wall would be very amazing. Remember, I would love to go to Beijing. Yeah, go to Beijing. There are beautiful history in Beijing. And yeah, that's will be my trip in Asia. And let's go down again, more far away from home. Australia. I would love to go to Australia. Go to Sydney, see that beautiful theater, that great architecture, and go to Melbourne, of course, and go to the Byron Bay. Oh, the Byron Bay. So, of course, I will show you pictures where I would love to visit. The Byron Bay would be amazing. Just remind me of Hawaii. I don't know, maybe that, not maybe Hawaii, more California vibe, because they are yellow and super cool. And if I go to Australia, I would love to go and do a Lord of the Ring trips. Yeah, I would love to see where the hobbits live, where the great ring fellowship go. Yeah, just walk into the trees of the Lord of the Rings would be so awesome. And Africa, yeah, I would like to go to Africa, but for now there are just one country, it's Egypt. Like I said, I got a certificate of Harvard with the pyramid of Giza. Yeah, those great pyramids was built a thousand years ago. And yeah, just have a Tomb Raider moment, go to Egypt, saw the Sphinx, those walking Egyptian step after the Greek ones. Yeah, and that's it for the list for now. I hope you liked the video. This is my wish list, top priority for now, and I keep you in touch. I see you next week for a new video, new adventure, and I will be open. Comment down below where you will advise me to go this summer. Greece, Thailand, Italy maybe. Already been in Rome, but I've been thinking maybe to go there to Milan, maybe Florence. Tell me, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, put a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, have a nice day.